How to install myAT&T app on iPhone on iOS. Here is the app. You just tap and confirm with your Touch ID or Face ID depending on your iPhone model. And yeah, this is the app to manage your AT&T accounts, easily access all your accounts info in one place. Review and pay bills, check balances, due dates, stay safe with device security you can count on, shop for the latest wireless and internet options, easily upgrade, add a line and get best deals. So that's the app. Now staying on top of AT&T accounts is much easier with the My AT&T app. Check data usage, want to keep tab on your wireless or internet data usage. Open the app to check usage on the overview screen. You can pay your bills. Never miss another payment. You pay your bill in the app, upgrade your phone or plan. You can see this app has almost 4 million ratings, and then yeah, you can just open it up and then you can just accept terms, and then if you want notifications you can allow. It's like that. You can allow your location, and then if you have AT&T account you can just log in with your user ID and password. Otherwise you can just create one like that. And then you just select AT&T service. There are a lot of pop-ups here and from here. Yeah, and then that selects the service you want to register, and then tap continue, and that's that.